The first step I did is signing up into Vlaunch by connecting my Metamask wallet with the Vlaunch platform. Step number 2 is to buy Vpad. You can buy Vpad on the VMAX platform. The link to the VMAX platform, you will find it here below in description. If you use my link, you could even get a welcomes bonus on top of your first deposit. The second way to do it is just by using your Metamask wallet. You will find here by the Metamask wallet the swap button. You have the option to buy it or on the Ethereum network or on the Binance Smart Chain. For now, I will use the Ethereum network just to highlight how it works. One single click on the swap button. Here you can drop how much Ethereums you want to switch into Vpad. Let's say you want to switch 10 Ethereums. Here you click, you search for Vpad. I will right now just paste it. The first one is the right one, but you can double verify it on the Ether scan. One single click on continuous. And right now you can click here below on review swap. And if you click on review swap, you will be able to buy your Vpad tokens. For the moment, 10 Ethereums can give you 286,455 Vpad. So that is an insane amount, and only the gas fees, as you can see, are right now $34.75. What in my opinion is not so much. But of course, for this amount of transaction, you can use also the Binance Smart Chain, and the Binance Smart Chain will be probably much cheaper. Step number 3 is to stake your Vpads on the Vlaunch platform. You self have the choice to stake it for so long you self want. Myself, I have chosen to stake it for 5 years. In a moment you will understand why I have chosen for 5 years, not only just because of this IPY, but because of the 282% IPY that you also can earn, and next to that to get the highest amount of staking power. And for the minute, that staking power is 650% on top of your amount that you will stake, and that you will need it in order to earn new free crypto tokens that are listing on the Vlaunch platform, and as well free NFT allocations.